Hi everyone, my name's George. Welcome to Swagger Swoon. I'm going to show you how to tie a self-tie bow tie. Now these are sort of thought of as being really tricky. It's actually quite simple, it's just a little bit fiddly. So we'll give you a handy step-by-step on how to do this. So first of all, select your outfit and your bow tie. We've gone for sort of a very much a party wear, occasion wear outfit, particularly with Christmas and New Year's and things like that coming up. And select your bow tie. So we've gone for a really classic plain black satin. You can go with whatever you want. There are many different options out there, but this is what we think would go really well with this outfit here. So to start with, you want to drape the bow tie around your neck. Now most of these bows will have these adjusters on the inside here. This is to make sure it's the right size for your neck. It can take a little bit of sort of trial and error to make sure you find the right one there. They do usually fit most necks because they have got that sliding adjuster there. So once you found the right length, that one goes around the neck like so. Now, again, where to start your bow can be a little bit of trial and error. You basically want one side longer than the other. And if you do have one with the adjustable tape, make sure the adjustable tape is the short side, like so. You then want to cross over the shorter end where your button is here. And you can see that's where the bow starts to shape in and out. That wants to be where your button is. And this one crosses just over the front of it like so. You can then take your long end back up and underneath there until you have that tied around the neck nice and tight. This one can then be folded back across and then back on itself until you get that nice bow shape there. We can then fold this one down the front like so. Pull your two wings forward like this and you should get a little bit of a loop being created just at the back there. And then you can take this one, fold up like so, so you get a bow tie going the other way, and then that fold can go through the loop you've just created. This is where it's a little bit fiddly, like so. You can then pull on those two wings and you should get that nice bow tie shape there. A little bit of adjustment until you're happy with it. Remember, these are designed to be basically symmetrical, but the charm of having a self-tie bow is no two will ever look exactly the same, so you will have a little bit of asymmetricality, but that's a really nice thing because that means that it's sort of personal to you, and no one's ever going to replicate that perfectly. You can then fold down your collar like so. And there you have your bow tie.